In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell items on Wix step by step. If you're looking to start an online store using Wix, you've come to the right place. Selling items online can seem daunting at first, but with Wix, the process is fairly straightforward. Let's dive right in. To begin with, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once logged in, click on Edit Site to open the website where you want to sell your products. This part is crucial because it will lead you directly to your site's editor, where all the magic happens. Now, before you proceed any further, it's essential that you have Wix stores installed. This feature is necessary for selling physical products on the platform. Without it, you won't be able to manage your products or handle sales efficiently. Once you've ensured that Wix Stores is set up, locate and click on Store Pages within the editor. Then, move on to the product page. This is where you'll organize all the essential information about your items that online shoppers will see. Now click Manage Products from the dashboard and navigate to Store Products, then select Plus New Product. Choose Physical Product, as this will enable you to enter tangible goods you want to sell. With your product page open, set up the inventory by enabling stock tracking. This is a crucial step to avoid overselling. Don't forget to declare the quantity of each product available. Next, it's time to configure your shipping options. Head to Settings and select Shipping and Delivery. Define your shipping regions and rates and decide on the delivery methods you'd like to offer. Many sellers opt to provide free or flat rate shipping as an incentive to buyers. With inventory and shipping sorted, let's move on to payment methods. This is done under Dashboard by selecting Settings and then Accept Payments. Here you can integrate various payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe, or enable debit and credit card transactions. It's always good practice to test the checkout process to ensure everything works smoothly. The final step is to publish your product. Make it visible on your store page and customize elements like the Add to Cart button to complement your site's design. Take a moment to preview your page to ensure everything looks polished and enticing. Now that your store is live, managing orders efficiently is vital. Through your Wix dashboard, you'll receive a notification each time an order is placed. Prepare and ship the product, updating the status, and providing tracking information if applicable. Continuously monitor inventory levels using Wix Analytics, which can also help track sales performance and customer feedback. For a successful online store, consider using high-quality images and clear descriptions to attract buyers. Offering multiple payment options and setting realistic shipping times builds trust among new customers. Having a transparent return and refund policy can further reassure buyers. Lastly, when appropriate, think about offering discounts or bundles as a strategy to increase sales. That's it for today's tutorial on selling items on Wix. Follow these steps and you'll have your online store up and running in no time. Good luck on your e-commerce journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.